Come stay in a simple, but well-appointed tiny house overlooking the ponds at King of Crops Farm. Feel free to sample whatever is coming out of the ground. The tiny house is right next to our muscadine and blueberry fields. Explore the property: blueberries, muscadines, figs, blackberries, pawpaw, compost, etc. Fish in the ponds, sit around a fire and look at the stars, grill out or whatever else you might want to do. The space. You may see our farmers, but for the most part you'll be left alone. We really love the space, but it's important to understand that it's not quite like a normal house. It has everything you'll need to be comfortable: heat, air conditioning, stove, oven, fridge, freezer, coffee maker, regular toilet, shower, bathtub, etc. But it